Okay, watch. Like me on Facebook. I like how your face look. Asian King Buffalo know how to cook. Tell everybody we got special food. See the head. What the? Oh. Thank you.
My friend Eddie's been working hard today, so...
Yes, I'm very, very tired. I
gonna treat him-
work too much. I deserve one Chinese buffet. And my cousin here is gonna treat me for a Chinese buffet. Let's do it, baby.
So we're about to try the best Asian buffet in the Fort Worth area.
Have a better dinner, have a better day.
Wow.
Come to Asian King Buffet.
Wow!
I wanna see you every week. Yo. Okay?
So I asked my friend Eddie, what's the best restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? He said,
what?
we gotta go to Asian
I'll
King
bring it to
Buffet.
my favorite Asian food.
Okay, watch. Like me on Facebook. I like how your face look. Asian King Buffalo know how to cook. Tell everybody we got special food. See the head. What the? Oh. Thank you.
Yeah! You see that?
When you get hungry, turn on, come to Asian
He
King
looks like Elvis Presley.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah!
For the last 7 years, I've been coming to a Chinese. I like Chinese food, but every Chinese buffet I went to, they start good and they go to junk. This guy, so far, after 7 years, I've been coming here. My family, they kept it really good. The quality, the taste, the freshness, the service. And after 7 years, this guy doesn't grow. He still looks the same after 7 years.
Yeah, 7 years, yeah. Yeah, smart, yeah. And also, we have a sushi.
Wow, look at all the sushi.
Yeah, and the hamburgers, all kind of, like from sushi, hibachi, Mongolian, seafood, crab leg. We have 250 items to choose from. We got a fresh oyster soup. Look the fatty meat, okay? Oyster, cartel shrimp, big shrimp, and all kind of sauces. Fresh fruit, you know, fresh fruit you cut from the morning.
Wow, the buffet line was great.
Yeah.
Noodles, 2 eggs, shrimp, fresh shrimp, actually. Onions, squash, I don't know what is this. Bamboo. He's gonna catch it, right? Then he's gonna cook it.
Well, I'm stuffed, you guys. I just had like a ton of food. I haven't eaten this much in a long time. So this is my review of Asian King Buffet. I'd say this place, compared to all the Chinese buffets I've been to, I'd give this place 5 stars. The food was better quality than most places. Prices are competitive. And I'd say that overall the place has great service. I got the best customer service ever. I mean, when you have a guy singing songs to you in the entrance, that's like above and beyond normal service. So anyway, I highly recommend this place. If you like Chinese buffets, definitely try Asian King Buffet. This is more for people who like Chinese buffets. Definitely worth a try. This is a must try in Dallas Fort Worth. I'd say this is the best Chinese buffet I've been to in Dallas Fort Worth, actually. Just remembered one thing. I want to open my fortune cookie. I just opened it. It says, this coming Friday will be an exciting time for you. Well, I can't wait to see what happens this Friday. And if you guys want to see what happens this Friday, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications button because you're about to see some really exciting stuff this Friday. As you do every day on our channel, we post almost every day great reviews and vlogs of healthy lifestyle, restaurants, and a lot of cool, fun stuff. So if you guys want to see some more fun videos, hit that like button. You'll be entered for our weekly giveaway. Every week we choose a winner, so make sure you're in it to win it. Just spotted another treat. So it looks like when you come here, you can always get a free guava candy with every visit. So I'm gonna try it right now for the first time. Tastes good. Wow, this candy tastes pretty good. Anyway, if you're here at Asian King Buffet, make sure you stop by and get a guava candy. They're complimentary. So Eddie, what did you think?
Man, I don't know. It was very good. I'm full. I can't breathe, can't walk. We've been eating for 2 hours.
So how does this Chinese buffet compare to others?
I think I've already been coming here for the last 7 years, so that tells you something, right? Comparing to, I probably closed down about 11 restaurants that I used to go to. They closed down. They start fresh and nice, and all of a sudden they get soggy and don't taste good anymore.
Wasn't the dinner, it was only $10.95 here, you guys. So the dinner is like only $10.95. That's less than what you would normally pay to in most restaurants just for one regular meal. One plate of food. Here you can have as many plates of food as you want for the same price.
Friday and Saturday, I think it's a couple dollar more. They offer crab legs and more seafood items, more sushi varieties. But they're really good for the money, the freshness, you fill it up.
I liked all the sushi and the hibachi they had. It was pretty good. So if you guys want to see more reviews of restaurants in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button so you'll be first to know when I post a new review. Alright, and this is what you guys have all been looking forward to. The weekly giveaway winner of this week is, drum roll please, $3.99. Congratulations, you are a weekly giveaway winner for Gold Pyramid's travel and food vlog. Look forward to more weekly giveaways every week. If you guys want to enter, all you have to do is 3 things. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so that you'll be notified each video and you'll know when you're the winner. Alright, here's the giveaway. $3.99. You have won a nice iPhone cord that has an LED light and a magnetic connection, so now you can magnetically connect your phone and charge it. That is like super cool. We're gonna mail this to you today or tomorrow. And then Sharon?
We got this ride or die patch to spruce up any article of clothing that you can iron this on.
Also, we got you tickets, special VIP tickets to this event, and each ticket is a $147 value. We're sending that to you, Bree, for being our first giveaway winner, and we are going to do many more, so you guys make sure you enter every week so you get a chance to win. We're giving away different prizes every week, something new and exciting, something you guys are going to love, so make sure you guys enter for next week. I think it's time for us to come up with a couple's name for you two, baby. Since I'm Gold Pyramids and you're Sherry Synthesis, I think that we should be Gold Synthesis. What do you guys think? If you guys want to tell us what your opinions, give us your opinions in the comments. Please let us know. What do you think would be a good nickname for our couple channel? Alright, so I think that concludes our weekly giveaway. Let us know if you guys have any video ideas you guys want us to do or Q&A questions you guys want us to answer. We'll see you guys next time.